Today I'm playing for the something with Lexi today. This is Lexi. Um, Lexi. I'm just saying her name. I just said Lexi. I mean, she was AFK, but she's not answering. Oh, someone sent me a friend. You know what? I'll accept it. Whoa, what? Whoa, what? Okay, hang on. Oh. Okay, I forgot I was recording for you guys. Sorry. Okay, so me and Lexi are gonna. Okay, we're going to this server because Lexi said so. I'll join you. Wait, I could probably not take forever. Okay, anyways. While we're waiting for Lexi, um, oh, wait, that's my server. Okay, guys, so, go check out my video about this Discord server, and you guys can join my Discord server, and I'll, like, I'll mostly be on every single day, because, like, I'm always active on Discord, because, like, it's, like, that's the only way I can, like, talk to Damien and others, and, yeah. Okay, hopefully I do not mess up. Oh my god. I hate when the bee sleeps, you guys, because, like, okay, well, I took the screenshot without Lexi knowing. I think Lexi's AFK, I don't know. I don't like this one. Wait. No, I don't like this one. Lexi should probably be paying attention. Okay, I can do this. Oh, wait, Lexi's the beast. I just realized Lexi's the beast, you guys. Okay, I'm good. I'm glad that she didn't mess up. Anyway, so I'm eating a popsicle, and like, I'm not done. Stop messing up, lady. Okay, never mind. You didn't mess up. I was supposed to scream at you. Leave me alone, Mitchell. Okay, stop. My brother's annoying. Anyways, no, wait. I'm gonna use them.
Oh, you are making a video?
Yeah, no, leave me alone. Oh my god. Okay, so Evil Queen's gone.
Fuck.
Okay, this is not my brother.
Fuck.
Stop! You're so annoying. Stop, Mitchell. Anyways, oh wait, this is for my brother, guys. This is like a safe channel, like a no cuss word channel. Even though like I get mad sometimes, like you know. Mhm, mhm, mhm. I wasn't paying attention. Okay. Oh my god, I wasn't paying attention again. Oh wait, I gotta stop paying attention. Someone chatted with me on Discord. I wonder who it was. I was checking. Oh my god, I gotta stop. That's the thing. I gotta stop checking my Discord. I'm playing a game. Anyways, okay. Come on, hurry up and hack. Okay. Oof, luckily. Oh, that one got finished. Okay. Anyways, Evil Queen's fine. Oh, I finally lost some pizza. I'm gonna kill her. My Discord is like hella laggy. Oh shit, I messed up. Okay, well, whatever. It's a hard night. Okay, I'm not gonna sing. My sing voice is ugly, guys. Like, I don't think you guys want to hear my sing voice. But anyways, when's your guys' last day of school? My last day of school was May 24th. That's how you get. But yeah, my last day of school was May 24th. So I want you guys to comment down below when your last day of school is. Lexi! I'm gonna do that thanks to Lexi. Also, shout out to Lexi. Go follow her Instagram. And yeah, anyway, I see y'all. Anyways, we're gonna try escape Wi-Fi. Sure. Okay, guys, so we're gonna try and hurry up and escape. Well, I'm gonna try and hurry up and escape. So yeah, and hold on. Okay, guys, so anyway, that's it for the video. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to join the Evil Queen's Club. See y'all